Hello everyone, you all are welcome on my YouTube channel Mathematics with Shadab. Today we have a question, real magic. I'm going to show you 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, which is not acceptable in math, but it's just for fun. Let's start this. Okay, today we have a 1 tricks. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. I'm going to show you tricks how 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, let x is equal to 1. In mathematics, we can suppose we can let anything, one variable is equal to any number, we can let. This is acceptable in mathematics. So x is equal to 1. After this, I'm going to squaring both sides. So squaring both sides, x square is equal to 1 square. We can do squaring both sides also. After this, both sides subtracting by 1 square. X square minus 1 square is equal to 1 square minus 1 square. Both sides subtracting 1 square. Okay. Now, here we are going to use formula of a square minus b square, algebraic formula. X plus 1 x minus 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 square is equal to 0. Now after this, dividing both sides by x minus 1, we cannot do one side, we have to take both sides to make it equal. X plus 1 x minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 0 by x minus 1. We cannot do one side, we have to do both sides to make it equal. After this, x minus 1 cancel, so remaining is x plus 1 is equal to 0 by any number, 0 by any denominator is there, any number is equal to 0. Up to here you can understand, I think. After this, in the place of x, we have to write down 1 because we let here x is equal to 1. What is the value of x? 1. We let here x is equal to 1. So in the place of x, write down 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Look at this properly, and where I did mistake, find out mistake and comment it. This is just for fun. It's not, we cannot use while doing mathematics and all. It's just for fun mathematics. It's a magic. So don't use while doing any kind of problems, because this is not related with books. It's just a one fun concept which is in front of you. If you like my videos, please subscribe, comment and share with your friends, and support my videos, support my channel. Thanks a lot.